If I invest my time in networking, what's the payoff? Well, it's all about the orientation. What are you trying to achieve? For many in Generation X and the holdover boomers, networking is something you do to find a job, which I think is a very narrow and often unsuccessful perspective. For the networked generation, Zs and most millennials, networking is something you do to meet people, to share ideas, to express creativity, to maintain relationships, and to learn more about the world. This according to LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman. These relationships will support them through tough times, presumably including a job search. So stop and think. You have an online connection with someone versus a person you know and with whom you've worked hard to build a relationship. Which person are you more inclined to help? It's not about how many connections you have, it's about the quality of the relationship.